One class అంటే put two classes like on like all the classes right slowly right open the book and then write right there slowly నిజం సరే ఏదో
సెంటర్
సెంటర్ లాగా ఇట్లా అదే నథింగ్ story first after 10th what I studied I don't know in the 10th class because mine is near Karnool village Morokonda is there so whatever it is in the 10th class I did study anything because school also Jilla Prajam ZPPS in that school teachers also like that only one day will come one day they don't come and the school also used they upgraded in that year only 6th to 7th to 7th to 8th up to 15th is there with my batch is upgraded finally in 10th class 50 students are there near around only 4 students are passed and 46 students are almost failed. This passed students also 2 is second, 2 is third class. No first class in my school at that time. Now everybody best first class only. No second class, no third class because everything copied. So then I learned the tractor driving. I know the driving. So then I learned the driving. I did a field work with the tractor contract. We used to go for Ghana and here and there. Then after 2 years again I passed the 10th class compartmental I passed it. Then after passing the 10th class one elementary school master told to my father that send him for intermediate or something because that fellow's close friend only principal in the government junior college in the Karnool. So little bit he stayed in my home only for rent. Then told to my father. Then my father okay, asked me. At that time I am busy with work. I already started earning amount. Then okay, I also okay better go for district I can go and I can enjoy. Then I told okay I accepted. Then we came to the first Karnool district. Me, my father and as well as elementary school master. First we tried for first private college. We went to one private college, they saw my memo. Almost all are stamped only, all the subjects. Around 260 marks are there. And then compartmental, that fellow saw my memo. And we asked the FPC, that fellow told no, he cannot pass it. First of all, he don't know anything. 2 years gap is there and as well as 10th class failed. So he cannot understand first of all what they teach in the class also. So we don't give admission, the first percentage will go down. At that time little bit competition in their private colleges. Then something he told finally that fellow no, we are having a minimum this percentages. So then only we'll give like that he told it. Finally, whatever it is, we went to the again government college. Then I got the admission because of that fellow. Then not only that, all used to laugh it when I am going for 10th class intermediate. All the mass people they used to laugh it as this fellow going for intermediate like that. They used to laugh in the village. And one other thing, these two fellows also 4 fellows failed in intermediate. And I am going to intermediate. All are laughed as this fellow and fellow like. Then I joined intermediate. Then I taken a decision I should pass intermediate at any cost. Then I used to go for all the subjects tuitions only. Namesake only government college, but it is like a what private school, private college only. Everything tuitions I used to go, maths, physics, chemistry, and then math, whatever they are teaching maths and all that, nothing I used to understand because everything I forget. My a plus b whole square also 9 months. And first of all, I forget how to read also. Sitting and reading also gone. Then with the 2 years gap means everything you forget. And then physics, nothing I used to understand. Just I used to go and write the notes and come back to the home. And chemistry. And I want to, when conduct the test, I used to try at least to get a best marks. Or I want to be tuition first. But always I used to get the last mark, except in chemistry. Chemistry I used to get good mark because the same thing, na printing only. Maths also I used to solve. If you use some theorem or something, I used to mug up like anything. Either understood or not understood, secondary. If the same question comes, I used to be able to print. That is the first target. So whatever they teach in the class, that I used to store in the mind, and then if the same question comes, I am able to reproduce. Good memory capacity I am having. That capacity I am having. Then, like that physics or chemistry, I used to mark up like anything. The slate pencil. Go on, write. So without seeing the book, I should able to reproduce. Like that, I will go on work total first year. Then I passed with 51% intermediate first year. Then I went to my village. I enjoyed like anything on the day because that fellow also failed. So, like that instrument first year got. Again, second year, the same way I did a lot of hard work. Finally, I passed with 55% intermediate. You are all on my job more than 1995. 55% I passed. Then I can join degree, but I did a overaction. Some people are going for Nellore Narayana Coaching Center. I also went to Nellore Narayana Coaching Center. At that time, Narayana Coaching Center, small institute. Here and there, they used to take for the rents, the rooms, and then they used to conduct the classes. Even Narayana used to teach mathematics, probability, some integration, some topics he used to teach it. Then I got the little bit concept because already some information stored in the mind. Either background of that knows are not secondary, but some information already there in the mind. So I little bit able to understand the what concepts in the coaching center. Then I taken coaching. Once coaching completed, then I written the MSET disqualified. Gone. Then I joined a degree first year. In degree first year, I tried to join English medium, but I didn't get it in English medium because English medium means minimum 40% marks should be there in English. For me, first year also 35, second year also 35 only. It was not eligible for English medium. I thought there is no condition also, but the condition is there. Then I joined Telugu medium only. That is a good thing happened in my life. So, Telugu medium, we are familiar with what language. Degree first year. Then, in the degree first year, I thought I should get at least first in the degree. That is the target I put in. Then, as usual, classes are going on. Then, first inspiration, maths sir, for maths master is there. He used to solve the problems, and sometimes he used to ask anybody can solve. Degree means class 30 students. Not more than the 30 students, small classroom. That master used to come and Bada personality also used to come and sit in the chair like me, and he used to ask anybody can solve the problem. Anybody can come solve the problem. Then I thought it one day, at least I want to solve one problem on the board. Decided, but I don't know how to solve. Then I thought it first which book this fellow bringing the problem. Then what I did after the work, that fellow fully covered the textbook and then he came. I went to bookstall and I purchased the some guides. Then I observed my nose problems and that numericals. Same thing is there. Purchased. Then marked up. Tomorrow, by lucky chance, if I ask this problem, anybody can solve. I want to solve on the board. Then marked up na already. I have having a capacity of reproduction. So then marked up like anything. Same thing happened. Once the problem written said, next year either he will ask or not. That doubt is there. He asked that slowly problem writing itself sweating started inside the mind because I decided to solve on the board. Then he asked slowly and is raised. One time and is raised, other time sweat bath ho gaya. Then he told okay, come and solve. Then I decided either I solve or not, each and every step I write or not. Final answer mark. I reproduced on the board. Final until the last step as it is I reproduced. Then I felt very happy. That felt also all the students are claps. They enjoyed on the day. Then on the day with that day it is not yet. Every time looking towards my started. Then I have to do it now. Not that first problem solve and leave it now. Then started reading. Okay, this fellow may ask something. What reading? Not only that, I have to prove it other subjects also. Then slowly started physics, chemistry. Before it says to tell the answer, either it knows or not secondary, I have to tell the what answer. I used to go on read it tomorrow this topic. And then go. Question comes and tell. Master, any question right? They used to look my face. And I have to tell them some answer. Slowly, I got a lot of interest on the subjects. Then finally, I placed a first position in maths, physics, and chemistry. Then again, I prepared for the MSET as usual. I got a 16,000 rank. I didn't get. Again, the second year, degree second year also, same thing I prepared for MSET. In third year, when I entered the third year, I got what MSET rank around 6,000 rank. I got it in MSET. Then I joined in. I dropped degree third year, then I joined in engineering in KLC, Konya Lakshmi College, Vijayawada. At that time KLC, now it is University. Then, is there anybody here? Nobody is there. Okay, good. Otherwise, I will do the ranking. All of ranking is there at the time. Then I joined in KLC. After I joined. Then first class English medium na nothing I understood what they are telling also not able to understood. I am unable to write the notes also. Sometimes I used to write the words in Telugu itself. Frequency means I write frequency in Telugu only, not in English also. I am unable to understand what the English master is that what is this. I never used to understand word also. Any question asked also like this because not able to understand anything. Then one side ranking, one side record writing. That fellows is my handwriting, your handwriting, same way. One bundle of record get dumping. You have to write the records like that. First year. And the total night in the hostel we stayed 3 fellows in the group. Anybody follow that? 3 fellows in the group. Then I never allowed to switch off the light. Either study or not study, but light should be there. That is habit for me, intermediate hours. Total day night light should be there. Then total night I used to go on study, but nothing I am able to what understand. For reproduction also it is difficult. Then at least Telugu I used to mug up. Here English, what I will mug up, what I will reproduce. Then a big problem. Then I started converting these English words into Telugu to English. Dictionary purchased English dictionary that are not understanding. Again Telugu to English dictionary purchased. Slowly I am able to convert the word Telugu to English words and then slowly started. Then the other 2 fellows got a lot of fear. This smaller fellow, what it is reading there, right? Then first minute exam get everything single digit ranks only except maths. Then finally, in first year I passed only 3 subjects, M1, M2, chemistry. English also failed. Total 6 subjects failed. Lab is passed. I know how to manage the lab. Question with answer. So cost some lab technicians are paying for us. So then again, almost 1 week dilemma stayed. 1 week if I study, 1 year if I study, degree might be completed. Now degree gone, engineering gone. Dilemma stayed. Either I go back or I continue. Then I taken a decision first. I cannot go back because lot of craze in the village. This fellow got engineering with lot of craze. You go back, all will spit on my face. And the first problem is English. I joined a spoken English. BTech second year. Per day morning, I used to get up by 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I used to go to Vijayawada. Then again 6 to 8 spoken English. Again come back and go to college. Like that 4 months I continued. Then after 4 months supplementary came. Then rubricization started. Little bit I got the knowledge in English because I practice now. So then after 4 months started again rubricization. If I don't pass first year, then I cannot enter into third year. 1/3 rule is there. Then again 4 subjects I passed. Finally I failed engineering drawing, engineering mechanics. Both are very difficult. Then finally, even if I don't pass the next attempt, compulsory I have to stay 1 year more. But finally, Rupudu, finally, given a good result, I passed first year. Third year entered, second year, again second year, 6 subjects passed, 3 subjects failed. Every year supplementary regular, permanent candidate. Supplementary regular, supplementary. Only 5 years, only single attempt I passed. Almost half KG certificates are there. 3 certificates are goes out. Then finally, third year I decided I am not capable of completing BTech. So I thought if I don't get even a first class, everywhere I am getting almost 55, 56 like the percentage. Third year I decided, okay, stop this engineering. Better go for some ashramam or settle this study field not suitable for other. I decided. Then the BTech third year onwards, I used to go for ashramas. The intermediate onwards, I used to go intermediate degree. I like too much about the what this ashramas. I want to be a bachelor and then continue like that. Even intermediate, anybody will tell something, some meditation center, something going means I used to go on attending. Then finally Brahma Kumaris I entered. Prajapita Brahma Kumari, this way. Then I want to settle permanently in that. Third year onwards, whenever holiday will be there, Sunday will be there, I used to go to ashram. Then one side study, both continue. BTech final year ho gaya, I got 58.5% passed BTech. Then I searched for the jobs here and there. Nobody given tells my memos and then to intermediate to nobody. I asked for lab technician also, nobody they given. Finally, I went to Yellore College, Yellore CRA. My principal shifted there. I told total story. Once I looked him, I got lot of happiness. Okay, little bit. I can tell the story. I told the story. It recommended to in Polytechnic College. I recommend in Polytechnic. ACR in Polytechnic College also in there. It recommended Polytechnic College. Then he told, but 6 months duration only I can recommend. Better do the MTech, then only all these things you can recover. Otherwise, it is problem lifelong. You don't get anywhere good job like that is suggested. Then I thought it what this 6 months duration and all these nonsense things. Better I take a permission in the ashram. Permanently enter in the ashram. That is better I decided. Then I went to O. Then I told total story to my parents. Then they started crying, and Pagal you are telling, you put a lot of hopes on you. Now you are telling you go to enter into some ashram and all. They cannot tell to others now. Other fellows also they laugh like anything. They will enjoy. Then I am unable to see the parents. They are every day crying and all that. Other fellows started spitting on my face. Then slowly. I decided, okay, they told me, you read one more year, try for gate, like that they told me. Sold the property, don't worry. Then I started again gate preparation. Every day, minimum 16, 15 hours I used to read it. I read this SHAM series, brilliant tutorials, postal coaching I taken. Then started like anything. SHAM series are helpful for very much for me, especially network theory. Some SHAM series books are very good for EMT or for some subjects. Then brilliant tutorials. On work. Finally, I got a 2000 rank in the gate. I cleared the gate finally. Then after getting 2000 rank, I applied here and there. Nowhere I am getting because everywhere they are asking minimum qualification BTech to first class. For me, second class. Then once send the check, then send the brochure, open the brochure, first page minimum qualification, Gaya. Then also I used to send it. No call letters or offer letters are coming. Finally, some college eligibility with the practical first class, so without practical second class. Like that is there. Wherever eligibility is there, applied almost all the colleges, universities. Not like this now. What each and every college having a what MTech. At the time, not that. Even when I joined MTech, engineering, total all over 80, 17 colleges. Getting MTech seat means we used to struggle like anything. People used to take 2-3 years coaching. MSET coaching itself. So then after that finally I thought it over there going to coming back, not selecting anywhere, waiting list to like that. Then finally even I applied for electrical department also. Power electronics I applied in Bhopal. Near the Bhopal Static College is there, Sabrata Technology, aided college, government aided college. There I applied. They got this call letter for this power electronics that also. Whatever it is, staying in the home very difficult. Na? People always ask something split on the very big problem. Going out of the home at a big problem it is. You have to stay only in the home, cover the bed and then sleep. Or take the book somewhere read. That's all. Then finally, I went to the Bhopal there. With this I went in. There again, I went to attend the interview. Then finally I selected. Okay, whatever it is, I got power electronics. I joined it. Then after joining power electronics, no subject I know. Everything electrical, Kimbra, Vedam Subramaniam, Nilesh Rao. Each book one Bible only. Nothing we know. Then I started group session. 6,000 fees, monthly stipend 2,500. SJ 2,500 every month stipend will come. First year 6,000 paid. Second year onward deduct from the stipend itself. Then enjoyed. Rupude started. Finally got a distinction in the power electronics. Then after completion of power electronics, first I joined it. I put a while coming to the Hyderabad, I saw the advertisement in Tinaranama College, Teenage. In Gachibowli it is there, women's college. I put a application resume and then I went to my village. Then after going home, every day seeing the newspaper. At the time colleges are increasing in 2000, 2001, number of engineering colleges are increasing. I used to observe the ad and send the resume. Observe the ad, send the resume. No call letter I am getting. I am applying for EC, MTech electrical. EC is second class. Nobody is calling. Then after 1 or 2 months, I get problem in the village now. A big problem. Then what I thought, nobody is calling. I am not getting any call letter. Then I thought it. First of all, I am applying for EC department, but did MTech in electrical. Then covering letter started. I written cover letter. So this is my background. You give the opportunity to work just for 1 month. If you satisfied, pay the salary. Like that, one covering letter also I written. Then finally, many call letters came. So bumper offer I got it. Then first I got this Dinaranama College. Because Dinaranama College, that HOD is close to my native place. Mother native place, my village beside only. Then he called. Then I went to for Narayanama College. Almost 40 faculty members are came. Faculty members are came. All are in the 2000 software institution is there. All the people used to come for only teaching. Even who are completed MTech in NIT, they came for the work teaching. They conducted written test first. I am always touched with the subjects now because I decided I am suitable for only teaching. No other job will get it. Then they conduct a written test. I placed a sixth position in the written test among the 40 members. Their requirement is 10 faculty members. Then after that they asked for demo. I given demo on differential amplifier because I am more interested in devices. That's why I joined power electronics, analog circuits. I am more interested in devices and analog circuits. Then after that differential amplifier segment, they told your demo is very nice. And they told, then finally they called how much salary you are expecting. I told it, you opportunity to work. Same dialogue I put it. So again, whatever the new faculty members salary offered, same 12,000 they offered to me. Then there's so much enjoyment, 12,000 salary. Once I tried for 3-4,000 only. So then I called each and everyone enjoyed on the day like anything. Then I went to home, I get luggage back, come back to Hyderabad. First they given PDC, pulse and distal circuits, and another one STLD. They asked me to select one subject. I selected STLD. It is very easy now. Not only for me, I can make to understand others also. PDC they given because I told any subject related to devices, maybe EDC, PDC, any subject. They given PDC. First class I went to PDC for electrical fellow. In Narayanama College, especially students are full fast. Jubilees, Banjara students. That language is full fast language. Mine is butter English. So what they talk all the First class I went it. Whatever I am teaching, they are go on laughing. Within half an hour completed total preparation. Then okay, first class na somehow asked the names and then I managed. Then out of here on the day, we teach like this. The next month they send me out again. Then started. It is not the good way. Total night I used to prepare for half chapter or some topics. Then rehearsals. Close the door. Colored jack pieces I purchased alone na single room. Total 5-6 times I used to do the rehearsals till I should teach even dictate a problem without seeing the papers, mug up like anything, problems, numericals, and I used to do rehearsals also. I should teach without any paper like a senior professor. I have to teach it, mug up like anything. Then I got a very good feedback in the first year itself for STLD as well as PDC. Then, like in the second year in 2002, financial problem, money problem in the home. I used to go for paper corrections. Paper correction, one paper 8 rupees. Morning to night. Sunday comes, that's our nodal center. Go to nodal center, do the paper correction. Bundles, I used to do the correction. And then home tuitions also I used to teach it. So like that 1 year continued. The second year, that HOD used to teach in GACE analog circuits. His name is Ramlingareddy. Used to teach here. Then he knows about me. He only told he can come to S Academy. There vacancies there for control system. He told. Then VM Rao sir is there, old person. Then I met him first, and he told bring your control system notes. Then over a day I have to write the control system notes and I have to show to him, and he will ask the doubts in that. Then like 1 week, every day coming evening time, you will see my notes, you will ask the some doubts, you never tell the answer, only doubts you will ask. I have to write that questions and then next day I have to tell the answers for that. I'll become a mad, total night referring the books and then morning, again next day evening, one time I have to teach in the college and here, that's big problem. Then after 1 week, even I used to stand in the bus and sleep. Like they stand also, I used to sleep it that much tired. If I sit in the chair, even in the room, faculty room, within a minute I used to sleep it. That much tired I used to work it. Then after 1 week, you put a class for me. One class is given. Just around 30-40 students is there in the class. Yes Academy used to run in Methodist school. School is there in the habits opposite to the administrative office. Small room, chart piece, duster. College itself 60 students. No fear. This sir also came first class. He seated one corner. Students with a lot of fear. In exported control. Your teaching is good like that. He told. Then he went it. Then like that, first 50% of syllabus completed. Like whatever is there, the same thing I used to cover in the class. Textbook ditto I used to teach. Some previous gate questions I used to add it. Then after 50%, then I got the first if I teach the same thing, whatever is there in the book, I don't get any good name. It is a very difficult for getting a good name and slowly started step elimination process. How can I at least how can I jump here 2 steps? This step to 2 steps I want to skip it. Like that one thinking wherever the possibility is there. I skipped the steps and then I eliminated some cases I used to jump to even last step also. Slowly I do not only myself understanding, I should make to what understand others also. Like that block diagram, signal, wherever the possibility is there, I make the problems are very simple. Finally, I got a very good name in the first year itself in the GATE coaching center. Then in 2002, I just 4 or 5 batches in there in ACE Academy at the time with the 30 students then. Then 2003 again I want little bit money now. I used to teach unlock circuits, EDC controls. Then like that continued. Here I got a good name that is I used to earn a lot of money. But that certificates is there now. They went for university ratification in 2005, the college. Then we have to compulsory, you have to apply compulsory through the college, you have to attend the interviews in the university. First written test. Among the department, I placed the first position in the written test. Remain all the faculty members. Then all used to say congratulations, congratulations. But for me, the mind is there. EC, I am not eligible for EC department because we take second class, MTech is EEE department. Then they called me, they verified certificate, then they told you are not eligible for the work to teach as a lecturer like that, they told me. Then again, my principal also is there. At the time, he called him after the interviews, everything over. Again called him and told you have to do the another MTech, there is no alternative, he told him. But he told whatever the allowances will give for the regularized faculty, everything will provide because I got a very good name in the college. Everything will give, but do the MTech again. Again, I returned PTPG set. I got a 21st rank in the Usman University. Then I joined a system. Even JNT also same rank I got, but JNT Kukatpalli na very far for the habits. Then I joined in Usman University. Then I used to teach up to 7:30 evening in the AS Academy. Then I used to go to the college, university. University also total around 12 students are there. 6 are my students only in that. One time. Then they used to say, sir will come, they used to wait. As you start 6 o'clock only, 6 to 9. I used to go by 8 o'clock and tell the attendance and then again I'll go back. Like that, I continue. I got a 74 percentage in the MTech in the SS. With 1% I lose the distinction. Otherwise, I might have got the distinction in the MTech also. Then I ratified through university. Then in 2007, I shifted from Narayanam to ACE Engineering College. ACE College established. Then ACE College again. First year I used to teach EDC and all that. Up to 2010, I worked in the ACE College. Then I got their problems. Then I stopped going to college. Then finally I continuing here. Slowly batches also reduced. Otherwise in 2008 and 9, 7, 6, I used to teach for electrical instrumentation, EC, more than 30, 40 batches I used to teach. Every day morning 5:30 I come. I used to reach the home after 10 o'clock only. So like that continued almost 3-4 years. The 2010 onwards slowly reduced like this. Life is continued. Finally, life is setting. Only thing is that to gain the knowledge.